Alright, so in this video we will talk about Google Enhanced Conversion Tracking, and so we'll use our calendar from. We embedded this calendar from in our website. So for Google Ads Conversion Tracking, we need to first create a conversion, and conversion should be on our website. So select first one, save and continue, and we will track the submit lead from our book appointment. Let's go with book appointment and choose manual with code, and in here, okay, so everything is, and select this option one. This is for lead or appointment, and if you are running e-commerce website, you should select the first method, every method, okay, and rest of all is are same, 90 days and attribution data driven, and please check this option, Google Enhanced Conversion, enable this option, okay, and save and continue. Now go to here, Google Tag Manager. First you need to create a Google tag. Go to new and choose Google Ads and Google Tag, and in here you should paste your conversion ID, and in the beginning add AW, trigger will be all pages. Okay. So our first step is done. Let's move on our second option, Google Ads conversion linker, and same thing, choose all pages. So our two step is done. Now move on our website and track our calendar from. So we use a powerful iFrame listener code. It's only for Calendly. We will catch all the user information by this code. So this is our calendar form. Now fill up this form. Okay, you can see our form is submit, schedule is submit. If I go in preview mode, you will see a calendar booking. In here you can see all the information, event ID, email, first and last name, everything is here, and also the hashed format. Okay, so for endless conversion we need just email, and if the phone number is available, you should also send this phone number variable, right? So we have just only email, so we will go for only email. First we need to create a trigger. So this is a custom event, so we need to create a custom trigger for it. Now click on this value, copy here, and create a trigger. Name this calendar. And for enhanced conversion, you just need only email, but best practice is you should send first name, last name, email, phone number, everything if available. But in this video I will show only just email for enhanced conversion. Just copy the email, you choose the hash one with the path, and go to variable, choose the data layer variable option and paste the value and name this email calendar. Okay, so we did a conversion linker Google tag and create a custom trigger for our calendar form. And now we need to uh, track our main goal, the conversion goal. Again, go to new, choose the Google Ads and Google Ads conversion tracking, and this is our conversion ID, this one. Copy this and paste here. And conversion level, copy the conversion level, and this, and in here in here we have no value, so you may for e-commerce you should always remember saying the dynamic value parameter here as well, transaction, and always send currency for e-commerce. Okay, now choose our trigger. We already create the trigger calendar from submit, this one. Okay, so our Google Ads conversion tracking is done. Now create another tag for enhance conversion, right? Just go to new, same thing, Google Ads, and choose Google Ads user provided data event, and same thing, copy the conversion ID and paste here. As well, we need user provided data. We already create a email variable, right? We just map in here. Just choose a new variable and the email, calendar email, this one, and name this enhance calendar. Okay, save it. And trigger will be calendar from submit. Okay, so our Google Ads conversion tracking is done with enhanced conversion. Let's check our tracking is working or not. Okay, let's preview our GTM container or go for here or check by directly here. Okay, so just fill up the input value here. I can see that our tracking is worked properly and everything is worked according to our tracking system. Alright, and in here in preview mode you can see our Google Assistant conversion tracking is fired, as well our enhanced conversion tracking is worked properly. You see that our conversion action is sending data to Google Ads, so there is no issue, everything worked properly. I hope you understand that how I can track calendar from with user data for Google Ads enhanced conversion.